Hello friends, good afternoon. You need a lot of patience to build a network in network marketing. So initially you have to do it part time unless you have credibility of yours who join based on your name. First you need to find a right company. Have discussed in different videos how to choose a good company in network marketing. In brief, I am doing Vestige part time. So I'll discuss about that afterwards. Initially, your company are new, or you may not be in contact with most of the people whom you meet, so they may not trust initially. So they take time to join you. So it's your job to build the trust part. And yesterday I met few people. Many people have joined already, and few people pretended that they are not in the part of my Vestige company, but afterwards when I invited them to a meeting, they did not turn up. One person told that he would come and he did not come. So these are all part of business. You have to learn. You have to be patient. One thing you should understand is you are not investing any money. You are only investing your extra spare time or doing it part time. So don't worry. The MBBS course, to become a doctor, they have to work so hard for 5 to 10 years. Similarly, here also this takes time to build a strong team of yourself and trust in the company and in you, people to join you. So there will be some disturbance, but focus on the content because I have to visit many doctors. Whenever I find time, I make videos in a place nearby. Just now I went to a doctor. They need more time. So you should be patient because ultimately your goal is to make more money or extra money passively apart from your current position or job or business, or if you want to have time freedom or travel the world, you need to build a strong business, right? So for that you need a strong team. It takes time. You need to be patient. You met 5 people, 100 people, 1000 people. They don't, if they don't join, you have to not get discouraged. But one thing is you have to keep on building yourself also. You have to learn. I learn a lot about the company, about the products, about team building, about self improvement. Yesterday I attended a public speaking course, master course. So some things you have to do as part of your personality growth. Even though if you don't earn a lot of money here, definitely you will learn so many skills. I was wondering to see a person who is a general manager of IT department of a petrol company, and he was very scared to speak in the public before 10 people, 20 people whom he does not know. But I'm never scared. I meet so many people every day, new people. Never I am scared. So many skills you will develop like that. I met a mother who is very scared to talk to her teachers regarding her child education. So after joining this network marketing, she is able to speak wonderfully, discuss with the teachers issues, get resolved. Similarly, in your business or in your job, you learn so many skills which will help you in your personal life. And if you want to make money and make passive income or do big business, you have to learn about the company, about the industry, good companies, bad companies, how to build teams. So all those things you have to do along with whatever you're doing. Be patient. Don't get discouraged. You have to learn from big leaders. You always keep. I download many videos whenever I find time. I listen. Just now I listen to West Deep. I listen to some other big leaders of the industry. I do apart from the industry. I learn some skills like public speaking, personality development. So like that, you have to keep on investing in yourself, improving, focus on improving. So, like if 1 lakh people write MBBS by PC exam, only 1,000 doctors come out. Similarly, here also not everyone will be successful because everyone is not suitable. You can find people as a customers, and you need to focus on finding the leaders who are having big dreams and who are prepared to do the hard work needed here. So you need both customers and people who can drive your team. So for that you should be a leader yourself. If you don't have knowledge, you cannot guide them or control them. They will sooner or later they will leave your team to another company. So you need to be able to keep them intact. For that you have to keep on developing yourself also. So genuinely, if you are interested, it will not be hard work because I never feel hard work because I have been improving myself. So like that, if you feel like that, definitely there will be a growth and success, and definitely artificial intelligence is taking over a lot of jobs in future. So many jobs are going to be vanished away. Banks, as I deposited money in the bank, there is no person, and sooner car drivers will be replaced with self-driving cars. Already they are in trials, successful, even in hotels, even in automobiles. So many people need jobs. Network marketing is safe bet for you, definitely for anyone. You have to focus it part time or full time. If you need money, extra money, or your job has no growth, definitely don't mind, there is a lot of wind. Focus, just take the points which I am telling, they are very valuable. After a lot of research I am saying, which will be helpful for you people also. So that's it for now. If you find my videos useful, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, watch other videos. If you have any doubts, if you want more information about Vestige Business Network Marketing, my number will be in the description. Contact me. I invite anyone above 18 years, housewives, farmers, educated, non-educated business people, job holders, any position people should do this. Even retired people should do this because they need some activity to keep their brain and body active. There are many people, their experience can be shared with the new people in the team. So who want money or who want to improve their skills, they will learn so many things from many people. You will come across new contacts. There are a lot of things you will learn. You will find like-minded people. So many benefits are there, along with the health benefits from the Vestige supplements, natural supplements, and FMCG. Just by being a consumer, you can earn money also. You have health supplements and cosmetics range, makeup range, skin assure range, which protect from pollution, toxins, from 1 layer to 3 layers based on the product range. So we can discuss in detail. If you want, you can contact me. My number will be in the description. So farmers also are there. There are wonderful products for farmers also. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you. Wish you wealth and health.